Hi everyone, my name is Robert Doane and I own the Acupuncture and Wellness Center in Paulsbo, Washington. We are one of the largest, if not the largest, Chinese medical clinic in the United States. We routinely see anywhere from 70 to 100 patient visits a day, and we've been in practice since 1998. We treat people from all over the world that fly in from Europe and South America to be treated in this clinic. Our method of acupuncture is branded and trademarked worldwide. It's called DNA. And our method of Chinese pulse diagnosis is also branded and trademarked. It's called MPD, which is medical pulse diagnosis. Many people ask me when I'm giving lectures in Europe or in Australia or Canada or across the United States, want me to talk about Chinese medical approach to digestive health. And there's a lot to say about this because we have a lot of ancient wisdom from Chinese medicine concerning food, but quite frankly, the epidemic of obesity in America is so extravagant, and the onset of diabetic problems in the United States is also so ubiquitous that what we end up doing is having a very simple approach to food and how to fix your digestion. First of all, the American patient is consuming way too much sugary foods in the form of grains, in the form of fruit, desserts, sugar itself, pasta. Milk is a sugar. In most cases, yogurt is. Ice cream is certainly a sugar. All these sweet drinks, and that's what Americans are consuming. So what we do with the patient, we immediately put them on more of a protein-fat diet. We take away the simple carbohydrates. We let them keep complex carbohydrates in the form of green vegetables. This has a dramatic effect on their health. It's amazing to watch the blood sugar simply crash in 2 or 3 weeks. So much so that usually their doctor has to take them off insulin and reduce their metformin. Type 2 diabetes is considered by Western medicine to be an incurable disease. And we're not saying it's curable, but we're saying through the proper approach with food, you can have a dramatic improvement in type 2 diabetes. And also what we do is we usually add Chinese acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine to help with the digestive system. And what we do to diagnose is we use pulse diagnosis. On the right arm is a position called the right guan pulse. If that pulse is extremely weak, the patient has weak digestion. So we use Chinese acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine to strengthen the digestion and bring back the appetite. This helps a great deal in improving the overall digestive health of the patient. If the right guan pulse is very strong and pounding, then there's too much heat or inflammation in the digestive system. These people will invariably have stomach reflux, acid stomach, a lot of gas and bloating, and have trouble digesting the food for another reason. There's just too much inflammation in the stomach and the duodenum. For those patients, we use Chinese herbal medicine and Chinese acupuncture to take away the inflammatory condition. Once the stomach calms down, the ability to digest the food is much, much easier. The gas and bloating goes away generally, and the whole digestive health improves, and of course, the overall health of the patient improves. You combine this with right food, you can have a pretty dramatic impact on the overall health of a patient. For those of you who would like to make an appointment, go to acupuncturewellness.net. You can easily make an appointment on the internet, and we will do our very best to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.